Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 75, Circles, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. The radii of two concentric circles are 13 cm and 8 cm. AB is the diameter of the bigger circle. BD is the tangent to the smaller circle touching at D. Now it's shown in the figure also. Find the length of AD. AD we have to find out. Okay. See here, our target is AD. AD means for AD you will have to use a Pythagoras theorem in AED. For that you will have to prove this angle is 90 E. Okay. So let's start. In triangle ODB, OB square equals to OD square plus DB square, right? Therefore DB square equals to what? OB square minus OD square, 13 square minus 8 square, right? What is this? Is 13, this is 8, smaller radius 8, bigger radius 13. So root of 105. Okay, you got dB as root of 105. So DE will be what? DE will be same then. Why? BE is a chord of C2, this bigger circle, and OD perpendicular to BE, OD perpendicular to BE, because this is a tangent for smaller circle. Right, DE is a tangent for a smaller circle and OD is the radius of the smaller circle. So these two are perpendicular to each other, OD and DE. But for a bigger circle, BE is a chord and OD is a perpendicular now. Just now we have got it. So perpendicular from center to a chord always bisects that chord. So that's why BD equals to DE. Therefore you get BD equals to half BE. Right. So next is what? Therefore, BO equals to OA, BO equals to OA, radius of the same circle. BO equals to half BA, that is also right, right? In triangle BEA now, BEA, this triangle, what happens? BDO, BDO, similar to triangle BEA, right? Why? What test? SAS test. How? How SAS test? See this. OB and OA ratio is half. Just now we have proven it. D. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.